Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Statistics. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question here is: a student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarized it in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. So guys, here the student who just find out the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes, and they have given the data as like number of cars and frequency. So number of cars like 0 to 10 7 cars, 10 to 20 14 cars, 20 to 30 13 cars, 30 to 40 12 cars, 40 to 50 20 cars, 50 to 60 11 cars, 60 to 70 15 cars, and 70 to 80 8 cars. Let's see guys, I have noted down the data here on my board, and the given frequency is for 100. So that means if we sum it off, we will get Fi is equal to 100. Okay, now this is the data we got. The range is 0 to 10 7 10 to 20 14. That means with a class height of 10 each, the student took down the number of cars and the frequency. Now here the question asked us to find out the mode. Guys, we very well know the formula for mode. Let me note it down, the formula for mode. Mode is equal to L plus Fm minus F0 by Fm minus F0 plus Fm minus F1 into height. Okay, so this is the formula for mode. Now let us find out each element here. So then after finding out the value for each element, then we will put the data in this formula, and it would be easy for us to find out the values or find out the mode. Okay, now guys, let us first focus on Fm. So Fm is nothing but the frequency, or we call it as a modal frequency. So what is modal frequency here? Modal frequency is nothing but the number of occurrence which is more here, we take that one as the modal frequency. So if you look here, the value of 20 here is more. That means the frequency here is more, 20 times. So we will consider this 20 as the modal frequency. So let us denote this one as Fm. Now what is F0? F0 is nothing but the preceding value to modal frequency, we call it as F0, and similarly the succeeding value to modal frequency, we call it as F1. Now guys, this is the data we got from here. That means we got Fm is equal to 20, F0 is equal to 12, F1 is equal to 11. Okay, now guys, let us first okay, now here is L. What is L here? L is nothing but the corresponding value of the lower class interval which corresponds to the modal frequency. That means the class, we need to focus on the class interval that corresponds to modal frequency, and we need to consider the lowest value of that class interval. So the modal frequency here is 20, and it reflects to the class interval of 40 to 50, and the lowest value here, class interval is or the lower limit here is 40. So therefore our L is 40. Now what is H? H is nothing but the class height. We could see that the class height or the class difference here is 10, means 20 minus 10 is 10, 30 minus 20 is 10, or I can see in the other words like 0 plus 10 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 10 is 40. So we could easily determine the class height as 10. Okay, now with these values in hand, let us move ahead. So we have Fm minus F0. Let us calculate here also the Fm minus F0, so that it will be easy there just to put the values. Fm minus F0 is nothing but 12, we got Fm as 20, So 20 minus 12. Similarly, Fm minus F1. Fm minus F1, Fm is 20 and F1 is 11. Now the above one will come to 8 and this one will, the result will come to 9. Now guys, we got the values of these two things. Let us put everything here in this formula and extract our answer. So we can write mode is equal to L. L is 40 here, plus Fm minus F0 is 8 upon again 8 plus 9, and then I can put the into 10, class height is 10, or I can write mode is equal to 40 plus 8 upon 17 into height, class height, that is 10, or I can write mode is equal to 40 plus 80 by 17. Just multiply 10 with 8 and we got 80 by 17. So guys, here we got mode is equal to 40 plus 80 by 17. Now let's see. So in other words, I can write mode is equal to here the LCM is 17. So 40 into 17. 40 into 17 is nothing but 680. I can write 680 plus 80 upon 17, or I can write mode is equal to 680 plus 80 is nothing but 760 upon 17, and further solving that we will get mode is equal to 44.71. That's all guys, this is our answer. Mode is equal to 44.71. So guys, this is how we could find out the value of mode, and the question was like just find the mode of the data. So the mode of this data is 44.71. Hope guys you understood this calculation. This is very simple and pretty straightforward, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.